Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a renowned Ayurvedic guru who explained how to drink water correctly to get rid of common issues like body aches, stomach problems, and fatigue. Let's dive into this story. Many of us think of water as something so simple that we believe we can drink it whenever and in whatever quantity we want. But this is absolutely incorrect. Although water seems simple, it is crucial for our body, ensuring that all our organs function properly. Toxic substances produced in the body must be eliminated, and from weight gain to weight loss, water plays a vital role. Therefore, the amount of water you drink, the correct way to drink it, the right time to drink it, and how to drink water, all these factors are essential. If you lack this knowledge, it doesn't matter how good your diet is. Your body won't get the full benefits, and this could lead to numerous problems in the future. All of this could simply stem from drinking water incorrectly. That's why in this video, we will learn why water is so important, its role in our body, and the minimum and maximum amounts of water one should drink in a day. Listen carefully to this story. Once upon a time, there was a guru who was a master of Ayurveda. He had a long beard and was teaching in a village, explaining health-related issues to the people. He taught them about the rules we should follow to maintain good health, emphasizing that even small mistakes can lead to severe illnesses. The guru then told everyone that although you might think of water as something very simple, if you use it incorrectly, it can cause fatal diseases in your body. Upon hearing this, a young man in the crowd stood up and said, "Gurudev, how is it possible that drinking water can cause serious illnesses? Water is the basis of life. Without it, humans cannot even survive." The guru responded, "Son, no one gets sick from drinking water, but drinking water the wrong way can cause many diseases, and you wouldn't even realize it." The guru then addressed the entire crowd saying, "Today, I'm going to tell you some simple rules related to water, and if you adopt them, you'll stay healthy for the rest of your life and never suffer from any disease in the future. Follow these rules for 12 days, and you'll see miraculous changes in your body." The guru explained why water is so important for our body. Our body consists of 60 to 70% water. The water we drink is used by organs like the kidneys, liver, lungs, digestive system, and almost all other organs. Water helps everything function properly, and more than anything, it keeps our cells alive. The guru then explained that we must know the minimum and maximum amount of water that can be drunk in a day, and how to detect a lack of water in the body. As soon as the body suffers from a lack of water, the color of the urine starts turning yellow. Digestive power weakens, and the skin of the face and body gradually becomes lifeless and flaccid. If you don't take care of how you drink water from the beginning, these symptoms will lead to serious diseases in the future. Friends, water has no calories, but it hydrates our body and helps eliminate waste from the body. It cleans our skin, boosts brain power, improves digestion, enhances vision, strengthens bones, and contributes to the proper functioning of almost all our body's organs. That's why water is so important. Even though we can go a long time without drinking tea, it's not possible to survive many days without drinking water. The guru then addressed the question of what happens if you drink more water than necessary. Listen carefully. The excess of anything is harmful. Drinking too much water increases the workload on our kidneys, and it can lead to dangerously low sodium levels in the blood. However, this is rare because most people don't drink enough water. Problems arise when someone drinks 5 or 6 liters of water in a short period. Drinking the same type of water in different ways has adverse effects on the body. There are different types of effects, so you should always drink water while sitting and slowly, keeping the water in your mouth and moving it around for 4 seconds before swallowing it. By doing this, the saliva in our mouth, which is alkaline, goes down to the stomach and calms the acidity, greatly helping to increase digestive power. When we stand or drink water quickly, our kidneys can't filter it properly. Additionally, when we drink water directly from a bottle instead of using a glass, many of the gases present in the air also enter our body. which increases the chances of suffering from joint pain in the future. That's why you should always drink water while sitting and slowly in 4 or 5 breaths. The guru then emphasized the importance of understanding what type of water should be drunk, whether warm, cold, or at normal temperature. If we eat or drink something very cold, our body first warms it before it can be used. The same thing happens with water. When we drink cold water from the refrigerator, the water is first warmed in our stomach before it can be used. This process wastes a lot of energy, and our body also has to wait before it can use the water. The water that remains in the stomach doesn't warm up immediately, and cold water hardens the food we've consumed, making the digestion process much slower and greatly increasing the problem of constipation. That's why water should always be at a normal or warm temperature, because our body uses warm water immediately. The guru also explained when not to drink water. It's more important to know when not to drink water than when to drink it. Drinking 1 or 2 sips of water before eating helps even dry foods pass through the throat easily and prevents hiccups. However, it's absolutely incorrect to drink a full glass or large amounts of water before or after eating, because drinking water immediately after eating dilutes the food too much, making digestion difficult. The gastric juices cannot be released properly and digestion becomes slow. Always drink water 30 minutes to an hour after eating, and if you drink water before eating, do so an hour before the meal. The guru advised against drinking water before sleeping at night or immediately after waking up. Although water is very beneficial during the day, drinking too much water at night is harmful. Try to satisfy your water needs during the day, as drinking water at night can lead to frequent urination and other problems. The guru then explained that even after eating fruits and raw vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes and others, you shouldn't drink water immediately. For example, he continued, if you eat fruits such as bananas, watermelon, pomegranates, oranges, grapes, cherries or similar fruits, drinking water right afterward can harden the food in your stomach and slow down digestion, which may lead to a cold or general discomfort. Next, the guru provided guidance on the best times to drink water. It's beneficial to drink water first thing in the morning, right after you wake up, but it must be done carefully. Drinking 1 or 2 glasses of water on an empty stomach helps to cleanse the stomach of toxins that have accumulated overnight, preparing your body for the day ahead. It's like cleaning a dish before using it. In the same way, you should cleanse your stomach before you start eating. Adopting these simple changes in how we drink water can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. Be mindful of when, how, and how much water you consume, and you will see significant improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and general state of health. After finishing his teachings on water, the guru shifted the attention of his followers to other aspects of health, starting with the importance of a balanced diet and how certain foods can complement the benefits of water. Just as water is fundamental to our health, so is the type of food we consume. Today, I want to share with you the benefits of consuming specific fruits that, like water, are essential for keeping our bodies healthy and full of energy. With that transition, the guru began to talk about 4 key fruits that, according to him, can help maintain youth and vitality even into old age: papaya, raisins, lemon, and apple. The guru then also heads towards his ashram with his disciples. Please tell us in the comments what you learned from this video, and share this story with your family, friends, or close people so they can also gain this knowledge. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe by activating notifications so you don't miss any of our new teachings. My dear friends, I hope listening to this story has brought positive changes in your lives. Until next time.